So guys, in this video I am going to review a product called Badass Bonuses. So basically Badass Bonuses are a type of a high converting bonuses. Okay, so as we all know that if we attach bonuses with affiliate products, then it's a sell like anything. So with this Badass Bonuses system, what you can do is just copy and paste bonuses and enjoy your profit. That's it. And if you purchase this from my link, then only I will give you an added bonus with this for free. And for bonuses, what you can do is just send me a screenshot of your badass purchase, which you must do with my link given in the description. Then only I'll give you a bonus. And if we take a look here on the sales page, then badass bonuses. Okay, code cracked. We never worry about not making money online. Okay, makes us $882 per day. Okay, in affiliate commissions. Okay, working no more than 30 minutes a day. Here is a video about
for the
the
same
product,
traffic source
talking
and the
about the
same
product.
offer.
Okay,
Have you ever wondered why
it claimed
some
that
people
start seeing
easily
results in
make
the next year,
hundreds
next
and
hour.
even
Okay,
thousands of dollars?
so the secret method, the use on over $882 a day, dominate affiliate contest, copy and paste system, our fastest way to earn six figures online, our best passive income system, your own busy in a box, 100% newbie friendly, start seeing results by the end of the today. Okay, get a badass bonuses today and save 82%. Okay, usually one time price today only. Okay, if we go down, then see how much money making. Okay, the yesterday's 7 days, 30 days. Okay, the badass bonuses works in the three simple steps: register, copy and paste, and profit. Okay, see what our customers, these are the testimonials. Okay, and if we go down then here is a story. Okay, the past of the owner, how they get into this business. Okay, then if we go down also, if we go down, then this is a simple logic. Okay, we all know this formula plus traffic plus conversion is equal to sales. Okay, so here is it talking about a cold traffic and how to get the sales and all that stuff. Okay, want to see the science behind it, then read on. Okay, so they did two test promotions. Okay, with and without the badass bonuses system. Okay, below you can see what happened when when they spent traffic with when they sent traffic without additional bonuses. So there is a results without bonuses and the results with this badass bonuses system. Okay, so bonuses turn people from browsers to buyers. Okay, bonuses can be ebooks, software, online courses, video tutorials, PDFs, infographics, coupons. Okay, and see how much money making with our copy paste bonuses. But okay, here is what we posted. Here is a post. Okay, and here is what come back. Oh. Okay, so introducing a badass bonuses, the product. Okay, the product itself, and badass bonuses is our entire bonus collection. Okay, the very same one we have used to generate thousands of affiliate commissions. They include business blueprints, software, video courses, online tutorials, templates, and much more. Okay, and if we go down, then but what about the traffic? So for traffic, they give their three flagships products. Okay, so Cleopatra, Zena, and Mayawe. Okay, so this is, and here is what's included in a badass bonuses. Okay, all our past products, 80 bonuses with full rights, Cleopatra traffic software, Zena traffic software, the Mayawe method value, 3x and taker bonuses, and a peace of mind priceless. Okay, so in this video, the for badass bonuses review, we cover this much of the sales page. Okay, and the existing part of this sales page we cover that in the part 2 video of this badass bonuses review. Okay, so if you want to purchase this, then link given in the description. Okay, so as I mentioned before, if you purchase this from my link, then I'll give you a bonus. Okay, so go and purchase it if you like it.